4/4 2020. What do we have? An update for everyone worldwide on the US Dow Jones. Oh, yeah, we do. Not only that, we can clearly see where we're at as far as the initial rally off of the bottom, which always happens in bear market rallies. This is a weekly candle right here, which wasn't this. This is last week, and it held half of the value of it. So definitely that's a lot better than what has been happening, except we don't know exactly how things are going to play out, but we can say one thing for sure is that if things do continue to get worse, then you have to mark the assets down lower than where we're currently at. Meaning that if growth gets to depressive or depressionary type levels for a couple, 2 or 3 quarters, is that then the actual stocks that you know or like or whatever, especially the high beta ones and whatnot, will have to be marked down even further from here. And they will. And it's April. And we're going into earnings season. And the disease is carrying out even further. And I even hate bringing that up. But God bless every last one of you. I don't care what part of the world you're from or who you are or where you come from. And even if there wasn't a virus killing people, we base our decisions on people, not based on viruses, but just based on who you are and what you're looking for and what you want to accomplish moving forward and whatnot, particularly when it comes to making the market and the options and understanding that versus the retail side of the market, understanding everything that goes on behind the scenes. I mean, after 35 years, I've been pushing this thing daily, 5 days a week, forever. And yeah, you could say that this catastrophe in the Dow or U.S. markets, they can label it and spin it however they want. It's only going to come down to one thing. And I hate to say this, outside of all the worldwide optimism or the United States patrioticism, as it should be, and helping one another, as it should be. However, when it comes to the corporate world and the life cycle of corporate profits and corporate monies, and hey, that's a whole different ball game. And they don't care about us. They only look at us as a math number. So they'll cut the jobs in the short term. But there is stimulus and whatnot, but how long is that going to run out? There is a lot of variables up in the factor. I mean, there are many different scenarios. Look, that's all good and well. Right now, it's where the money's printing. And the money's printing on the short side. This is a bear market, period. The event calendar is called COVID, is what I call it, the virus. That was the event. It was going to happen anyway. If you go back in 19, and I told everybody it was going to end up in a bad way, but I didn't know that it was going to end up in a bad way, to such a way that the piper was getting paid hard as far as bull market pullback should go. But we're losing lives over a disease, and that's not any good. But once again, we have to separate and protect and move forward. That's what we have to do together. And one of the things is, yeah, I do update you on the Dow and whatnot. We're market makers in that option pit. Take your road down that free 5-day trial with this. You watch that market. You watch it live. You watch how the options are being bought and sold. You see it for yourself. Okay? Don't be like the rest of the retail people trying to run around on the internet and thinking you're going to find this great deal or whatever. No, all those retail programs, they don't work. You're just going to recycle yourself until you get tired of it. Uh, the right thing to do is get into the free 5-day trial. You can believe what you see. If you don't get in the free 5-day trial, then you're not serious. Because if you are, and you're looking for what you quote thought, whatever that might be for you, the bottom line is that you have success, and that's what we're here to do. So the Dow can continue to go lower from here. Things can continue to get a lot worse. We are at oversold conditions as we know it. We still have a few more weeks. Any good news will propel the market higher. I still think it's a little bit early for that and whatnot. So, the thing about it is risk management. That is why you need to take the free 5-day trial. Let's start there. 702-685-0772. Look for lower lows in the Dow. Any upside volatility in the bear market, you'll continue to have these reversals. Yes, the depth of the volatility has subsided. However, everyone, what I will be happy to say is that because of that, high volatility has come way down. That's going to make it for some of you, if you haven't lost your confidence, is that you'll be able to take the free 5-day trial and make money trading in bear market rallies. They pay bigger than bull markets. I'm going to leave it at that. Now, you take responsibility for yourself. Get in here and make some money.